Hi everyone. So already we have to discussed about the one-way ANOVA. This is the two-way ANOVA problem. So here also same which is related to the one-way ANOVA, but here is the difference is we have to calculate the sum of square between the columns and between the rows differently. So see here first we have to calculate the grand total from the row wise total and the column wise total. We have to take the grand total, that is the capital T value. So here capital T is equal to 84, that is the T value, that is the first value. Next we can calculate the correction factor, that is C equal to summation T square divided by capital N. Summation T square here is nothing but we have to take this value, that is 84 whole square divided by 12, that is equal to 588. Next you can calculate the sum of square of all values. So given all values we have to take the sum of squares, that means 6 whole square plus 4 whole square plus 8 whole square plus 6 whole square, 7 whole square plus 6 whole square again plus 6 whole square plus 9 whole square plus 8 whole square plus 5 whole square plus 10 whole square plus 9 whole square. These are the sum of squares of all values, that is equal to 624. Next value is sum of squares of totals. So that is SST. So SST equal to formula is summation xij whole square minus summation t square by n. So this is the correction factor. So here this is the sum of squares of all values, that is equal to value is 624 minus already here we have to calculate this value, that is 588, that is equal to 36. So this is SST. Next you have to calculate sum of squares between columns separately and between rows separately. So first between columns. So between columns means formula is summation xj square by n minus correction factor. So summation xj square means here we have to take the column wise totals. Why? Because here we have to calculate the sum of square between the columns. So 21 whole square plus 15 whole square plus 24 whole square plus 24 whole square divided by n. So here n value we have to take the number of rows. That means oppositely we have to take. For example, we calculate the column wise means we can take the number of rows. For example, we have to calculate the row wise means we can take the number of columns. So here 21 whole square plus 15 whole square plus 24 whole square plus 24 whole square divided by number of rows is equal to 3. Minus correction factor already we have to calculate it, that is 588, that is equal to 18 value. This is sum of square between columns. Next sum of square between rows, same manner. So row wise totals, that is 24 whole square plus 28 whole square plus 32 whole square divided by number of columns we have to take, that is 4 minus correction factor is 588, that is equal to value is 8. Next you have to calculate residual factor, that is SSE. Formula is SST minus SSC minus SSR. So SST value is 36 minus 18 minus 8, that is equal to 10. So after the calculation of these values we can go for the ANOVA table. So here in this table first we have to take sum of squares of variance, sum of squares, this is source of variance, this is sum of squares, this is degrees of freedom, this is mean of squares, finally F calculated value. So sources of variance is between the columns, between the rows, and residual factor we have to take. So between the column value is 18, between the rows value is 8, and residual factor is 10. Degrees of freedom. So for columns wise we have to take column minus 1, number of columns minus 1. So number of columns 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Between the rows number of rows minus 1. So number of rows here 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Next residual factor degrees of freedom is 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. So here we have to calculate mean of squares, that means 18 divided by 3, 8 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 6, that is equal to 1.67. So F calculated value here also same, 6 divided by residual factor, 4 divided by residual factor. These are the values we have to get. So here which is the least value, that is 2.4, that is F calculated value is equal to 2.4. So already they have to given problem F table value, that is equal to 4.2. Next, F table value is greater than F calculated value. So here we have reject H naught. So this is the ANOVA two-way ANOVA table.